Oopsies, broke another iPhone? I'm here to tell you it's not that big of a deal. First off, you gotta get yourself some clear tape. This tape works the best. Vivi Bep. You press it, lay it flat, and then crunch it on. This is gonna stop the glass from slicing your hand, and make sure to cut it with the right pair of scissors. Perfect. And we're gonna just fold the tape over wherever it has been. A few times on the back just to make sure your hand doesn't bleed or get cut. Now for the front, you want to not put it over top of the thing that you can hear people's voice on. So right under there, you fold it over. It's horizontal, and now we're gonna wrap it around towards the bottom of the foam. This just keeps all of the glass inside the tape area. So you can't bleed your face, you can't bleed your ear, and it still works. The thing about them is their touch screen. Now, just to make precautions, you want to make sure you have a case on so that if you drop it again, that doesn't happen. Sometimes cases are helpful and sometimes they're not. So just to make sure that this one works, I'm gonna do the same wrap around like we did without the case on last time. And a horizontal way. Ta-da! Good as new. Get some glass out there.